Welcome to challenge number 1. Today we are going to tackle puzzles. It's a great tool for critical thinking and cognitive development. It is a great toy to offer your child for this type of play. There are two things that are important when it comes to puzzles. The first one is your puzzle challenging enough for your child? If the puzzle is too easy, it's not going to engage your child and it's just going to drop the pieces and walk away. So challenge number 1 is going to be find all your puzzles and see if there's any puzzles that are way too easy for your child at this time. These puzzles are great to save them for a sibling or for a different type of activity. Challenge number 2 for today's puzzles is, do you have all the pieces for your puzzle? But what happens if you have a missing piece? Did you know that missing pieces and puzzles create anxiety in your child by not them completing the task? It is critical that we have those puzzles that we are presenting to our child have complete pieces. By building puzzles that are complete, it builds confidence, it builds security, and a sense of accomplishment. By you providing a puzzle that is missing a piece, they don't understand the concept that the piece is missing. They're just internalizing it, something that they just didn't complete, they couldn't finish, they couldn't do it on their own. So today's challenge is going to be to find those puzzles. Go around your home and find all the different puzzles that you have and make sure they have all the pieces completed. If a puzzle also is too easy for your child to complete at this age, it's something that we can put on the side for a younger child or maybe to do a different type of activity. So part 2 of today's challenge is to find all your puzzles and make sure that they have all the pieces completed. This is a great activity. You can sit down with your child, you can complete some of the puzzles, and you can actually see if some of the puzzles are very easy for them at this age, as well as if you're missing any pieces. So go ahead and get your puzzles ready, get your puzzles together, and I'll see you on the next video.